I'm Bryan Kuntz. I'm the lead photographer at Dell. I've been interested in photographs for a long time. I'm always looking at new things, and when I see something, no matter where it is, what the source is, who the photographer is, if it's interesting to me, I want to find out how it's done and do something similar myself. So I do a lot of different kind of things, looking for inspiration in a lot of different places. So, I love art, I love the creative process, and I love the conceptual process, coming up with concepts and ideas and telling stories that way. So when I'm out doing photography, sometimes I will have a specific goal in mind. Like recently I've been doing some astrophotography. So I know I'm going to want to photograph Milky Way. We pick the location that we liked and then set up and photograph that. Other times, if I'm on a trip traveling and I'll be driving down the road and see something interesting, I'll just stop the car and get out and photograph that. And compositionally, I'll be thinking about a lot of different things: foreground elements, middle ground, background, leading lines, and all sorts of different things like that. In retouching and editing, one of the first things I'll do, generally in most photographs, is just then tweak the contrast, and usually increasing it. And then I'll start to look at ways I want to direct a viewer's attention in that photograph. If I have a main subject in the photo, I will lighten and darken around it to bring one's attention into that spot and to create depth. I like things with a lot of depth in it, that'll pull you into the further distance in the photograph, into the background. So a normal workday consists of coming in and reviewing CGI assets and making sure they look photoreal. With that, we will shoot catalogs for small business influencers, usually once a quarter. We will also shoot in between video takes and producing videos. And I really like doing catalogs and things that get me out of the studio, go on location. We were sent to British Columbia, Canada, to shoot beautiful Scenics for 2.5 weeks to be used as wallpaper, screen fills for Dell computers. And just photographing these beautiful mountain scenes, mountain lakes, waterfalls. We would shoot sunrise, we would scout, we would shoot sunset, and that was a lot of fun, just getting beautiful images. I think one of the most important pieces of advice I give a young photographer is to be thoughtful when you photograph, and don't fall prey to the desire to just shoot 2,000 images of one thing and hope you got something. Be more thoughtful about it. Think about what you're shooting, think about composition, think about lighting, and approach it that way. And you don't need to shoot that many images to have something great. If you learn to be thoughtful and compose things as you're doing it, you'll be a much better photographer.